So the next thing I'm going to show you in the web services is how to share and publish a project. I just created a new project, saved it, and then uploaded it to the server. So now you can see it's on there. The owner is, there's my username, date, and then the option to remove it from the server. So just go into the Share tab. By default, when I upload my project, it's private, and that's probably what you want unless you feel like sharing it. So it says this project is private. To add members, type their Celtx usernames below. So you're going to have to get whoever you want to share it with to sign up for a Celtx account and then get their username from them. And then you would enter that here and then update sharing. So to publish your project, this means you're publishing it to Project Central on Celtx, which means it'll be public. So sharing is private with the usernames of your friends that you know, and publishing is public. So you can set some options for publishing: publish most recent version, access limited to project members only, or access to the public. Everybody can view it. So I guess you have the option to make it more private, a limited public or a public. You can add a tagline, description, and add an image by browsing for it on your computer. And then if you have video embed code from a place like YouTube or any other place where you can grab a video embed, you could paste that here. And then you can do this, are you seeking reviews? You could check and then place it in a genre, and then you would update it. And let me just show you Project Central from the Celtx site so you can see where it's going to go. So this is Project Central. It's pc.celtx.com. And here we are. Got a whole bunch of different stuff on here. This is where your project is going to go, and people who are on here will be able to look at it and see it. So that's the sharing and publishing feature from the web services in Celtx.